Magandang araw, Pilipinas! Ito ang Valiente News hatid sa inyo ng Office of the Vice President. Bida sa art exhibit ng isang Mindanaoan artist sa Zamboanga City ang mga obra maestrang sumasalamin sa pananampalataya at katatagan ng mga Pilipino. Nagpakita naman ng suporta si VP Inday Sara Duterte sa nasabing art exhibit. Si Brian Latasa sa report.
3, 2, 1.
Dinaluhan ni Vice President Inday Sara Duterte ang pagbubukas ng Tatsli Eternal Hope Art Exhibit sa loob ng Universidad de Zamboanga sa Zamboanga City. Eternal Hope Visualizing the Spirit of Hope ang naging tema ng art exhibit. Siyempre, bida dito ang mga obrang gawa ng Mindanaoan artist na sumasalamin sa pag-asa, malalim na pananampalataya at katatagan ng mga Pilipino sa kabila ng mga kinakaharap na hamon ng buhay.
So, Ma'am Tats, congratulations on this remarkable milestone. Your art transforms the invisible, our fears, dreams, and resilience into something tangible, offering a profound explanation of hope in these challenging times. As Filipinos, we are no strangers to trials, from natural disasters to societal divisions, yet hope is woven into our identity. And artists like Ma'am Tats personify this, turning struggles into inspiring visions that uplift us all. This exhibition reminds us that art and education are twin pillars of a strong society. Art heals wounds, builds bridges, and unites us, while knowledge equips us to face challenges with clarity and purpose.
Ikinatuwa naman ng Filipino artist na si Tatsli ang pagmamahal at suporta ng pangalawang Pangulo sa sining at sa talento ng mga Mindanaoan artist.
The main subject of my painting is God, particularly the Holy Spirit. He is the dove or the view that you see in my artworks. My intention is for the viewer to reflect on God's sovereignty, that no matter the storm or turbulence you go through, He is always with us. As He said in Matthew chapter 28, verse 20, I am with you always, even to the end of age. The light always wins over darkness. And as stated in Romans chapter 8, verse 31, if God is for you, who can stand against you? Indeed, God and His light always shines. It is my ardent hope that you would appreciate the works of my hands, works imbued with prayers, through the guidance of the Holy Spirit. Muchas gracias.
Mula po dito sa Zamboanga City, ako po si Brian Latasa, ang lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Valiente News.
VP Inday Sara Duterte nilibot ang pinakabagong medical laboratory ng Universidad de Zamboanga. Yan at marami pang mga balita ang dapat abangan dito lamang sa Valiente News. Ako si Claudette Loreto para sa makabuluhan, naninindigan at matapang na mga ulat at impormasyon. Maraming salamat.